I build a Lego set. So, I've got my iced tea, got my Lego. What set do we have today? We have 6042 Jungle Explorer Atov. It comes with the Red Panda, but Johnny Thunder. I got no idea how many pieces this set has because I'm in England and don't show. Work on it. Ooh, pretty nice. You have instructions with that really lazy render. No numbered bags. But of course we have this guy. Ah! Right then, I'll build now. Here we have a Red Panda, which is pretty cute. Little focus on its face. There it is. It's pretty cool. And we have Johnny Thunder? Or like John, or like Phil Thunder. I don't really know because he looks different to John Thunder. But he has his hat and it's a really pretty cool compass. And the map, which is a reference to the original, but I don't think they were using white. Oh, and it just exploded. I don't think they were normally used in white. Now we're going to build the cave. And then there's a little cave, the Red Panda, which is pretty cool, but I think you can buy more of like some of the other sets, and then you can combine them somehow, I don't know. Because there's a clip there, and then there's a bar there. There's a little cave for Red Panda, which is pretty cute. And it actually fit, oh wow, I wasn't expecting it to actually fit in there, that's pretty cool. I really like this Red Panda piece. You'll hear it in scale with Philip Thunder. It's smaller than you think it is actually. It looks bigger in the box. That's a great personality, what? Anyway, I was going to build the Brum Brum. Just like, is this a new piece? It's like it's tile, but it's completely flat as opposed to the sloped one. It looks like a new piece. It's cool. It could be used on Clay's Falcon Fire. It feels like the piece that got on there. That is so satisfying. I can't explain how long I've wanted to do something like this, them to go together. Like with the slope bricks, I always tried to do that, and that is so cool. It can actually work now. And there we go, this is the finished thing. It's actually really good. It looks way better than I thought it would be. Like I say, I can't remember that video. That's a really cool technique. I like the way that's done. And of course you can get him. And then you can put him in there. That's the photographer in the background. And then there's a little steering wheel for him. And then his compass and his map there, which don't feel that safe. There's a camera to take photos of Red Panda having a poo. And a walkie-talkie to tell his friends that the Red Panda's having a poo. One thing that's weird about the Red Panda is that those aren't dual molded. It's just, I mean, even that's, I don't think anything. Oh, the ears I think are dual molded. Yeah, the ears are dual molded, but that's about it. Like, I thought the tail would be, or at least the legs. It's a pretty good build. Like I say, you can have that. And you can have the Panda minding its own business, and then you can come along and meow. Yeah, pretty good set. I thought this would be one of those boring builds that we get all the time with the steering, but it's not. It's actually a really cool build. It doesn't steer. I feel like that's a good thing because they all blend together. And you've got these little bars. It feels very realistic. I like it. Like and subscribe for Lola. She needs her autism medication and it's expensive.